Hal Wing was my father, and we started this ride right after he passed away. The first ride that we did, we had about 10 bikers on it, so we've really come a long ways with this ride.
We're absolutely excited to be here for the Hal Wing ride. We've done this for many, many years, and the Honoring Heroes Foundation is an absolute huge supporter of our department, so we wouldn't miss this.
We provide traffic control the freeways for motorists who are broke down, change your tires, give you a gallon of gas, keep the freeways clear.
Hal Wing was a great supporter of the Utah Highway Patrol back during the Utah Fast Pass. What a great man he was within the community, and how he helped with so many charitable things.
Cause it's near and dear to our heart. One named after my father, who loved the Highway Patrol and all police officers.
It was such a great ride this year. The route was phenomenal. We left from South Valley Harley-Davidson, went up Big Cottonwood Canyon, went through Brighton. From Brighton, we took off and went over to Jordanelle, where we took a stop, and then from there, we head back down through Harley Summit, back here to UHP headquarters here in West Jordan.
I'm here today to help support the Honoring Heroes Foundation, which helps our Utah DPS employees.
So make sure that you guys eat your food, shop here at Harley. We are thankful for them opening this up for us. We'll see you guys back in about 30 minutes.